What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you in this video where my garden started in 2021. All right, so this video was recorded on March 23rd 2021, and today is May 8th 2021. So the tomato plants, as you can see, they are starting to blossom, but they haven't opened as yet. All right, I have a cabbage plant right over here, and then I have some more cabbage plants in this container right here, and then I have some more right over here. So I've never planted cabbage before, so I was just trying to see, what will happen for me with this cabbage. And I have a dashing plant right here. So basically in this video we were just giving the tomato plants some support because they were, and honestly, they were just going so fast, but we saw that they needed the support. They were just leaning down. And that's my mom helping me right there. So we're just using some sticks around the house and some fish line. And these are things that we had lying around, and we can use to support the tomato plants. All right, so how these plants came about, I started these from seeds. I didn't buy them. Whenever I use tomatoes in the kitchen, I just save the seeds, and that's how these plants came about. So we're all done here. Every plant has a stake and it's well supported, and I just love to clean up my garden when I'm done, just to neat it up a little bit. I just love to do that. I love when my garden is neat. All right, guys, so please just stay tuned and watch, follow me on this journey. I'll be uploading more videos, and you can see where my garden is going.